was about 33 or 34 when I first started to notice it. It just started to go a little bit thin. Like it was really going really bald there at the front area and a bit at the back as well. So yeah, it was quite bad. I lost my confidence really because every time I went to the bathroom, I was looking in the mirror and trying to fix my hair so it wouldn't be as noticeable. So it definitely did affect me all right. And then I just started checking out websites and I got in contact with some other clinics and went for 2 or 3 consultations with different places. And that was it initially, yeah. I found it a lot more, so much more than I did the prior consultations, and like it just explained the whole process and the whole theory of the way things work, which I found quite interesting. It actually was about 2.5 hours, which was great because he was just so in depth. He went through everything with me, so it was reassured me big time and answered all my questions. The first day of the procedure, like I was really, really nervous, but like the team came in and they were really, really nice, really, really friendly, and really reassured me that everything would be fine and made me feel really comfortable. It was actually quite pleasant, to be honest with you. I wasn't expecting it at all. Like I actually had a bit of crack with the team. I slept for a couple of hours, so it was totally not what I expected. Initially, I began to see results after about, say, 5 months, but then obviously you have to go through the shedding period. So proper results, I'd say about a year. Actually, no scarring at all. Like that's one thing Dr. Nell said to me, like, always just don't go lower than the 2 blade. And I got a 1 blade and just no scarring at all. I've called Dr. Nell a couple of times and have a conversation, no problem. And I've been over twice, I think, in the last year. Just to make sure everything's going okay. I just find very easy going, very pleasant, and everything's been grand. It was a pleasant surprise, to be honest with you, the level of professionalism compared to some of the other clinics I went to. I just think he's just really, really passionate about what he does, and he really, really cares about all his patients, which is great. It's given me a whole new lease of life. And like before, as I said, like I used to check my hair every day, a couple of times a day in the mirror, and like I had lost my confidence. But now I'm much more confident. I don't check my hair anymore. I can actually go swimming again, because that's one thing I stopped doing because my hair got really wet, so it was really noticeable. So I'm doing everything that I used to do before. Go get a consultation and just do it. It's the best thing I've ever done, without a doubt.
Thank you for watching our video. You can follow the Hair, Skin and Wellness Clinic on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of your screen to learn more about hair loss, the various hair restoration techniques, and our very own patient testimonials.